everyone. In today's video, we'll explore a simple to-do list application built in JavaScript. We'll break down the code, understand how it works, and discuss important concepts like closures, which are fundamental in JavaScript programming. This application allows users to manage their tasks by adding to-do items, marketing them as complete, and categorizing them based on their due dates. We look at how the code is structured and how it utilizes functions to achieve its functionality. Let's dive into the code. The main function here is to-do list. This function encapsulates all the functionality related to our to-do list. Inside the to-do list, we have an array called all that stores all the to-do items. We also define the several methods like add, mark as complete, overdue, due today, due later, to displayable list, etc. Each of these methods operates on the all array, allowing us to manage our task effectively. Now, let's talk about closures. A closure is a powerful feature in JavaScript that allows an inner function to access variables from its outer function, even after the outer function has finished executing. In our code, when we define the add method, when we define the add method, it forms a closure that retains access to the all array. This means that even after to-do list has executed, the add method can still modify the all array. For example, when we call to-dos.add of title to submit notes. Wait, method pushes this new to-do item into the all array, demonstrating how closures help maintain state. Let's briefly go through the methods defined in our to-do list. Add is equal to to-do item. This method adds a new to-do item to the all array. Mark as complete is equal to index. This method marks a specific to-do item as completed based on its index. Now coming to overdue. This method filters the all array to return items that are overdue, meaning they are due before today and not completed. Due today. This method returns items that are due today. Due later. This method returns items that are due after today. To displayable list. This method formats the to-do items into a string for display, indicating whether each item is completed or not. When we run this code, it logs the to-do list to the console, categorizing tasks into overdue today, overdue, due today, and due later. For instance, if we have tasks due today marked as completed, they will show up a check mark while others will show as incomplete. While our current implementation is synchronous, we can enhance it by integrating asynchronous operations, such as fetching to-do items from a server. We could use callbacks, promises, or async or await to handle these operations. For example, using promises allows us to manage the success and error states of our asynchronous request more cleanly. In conclusion, this simple to-do list application demonstrates the power of closures in JavaScript, allowing us to manage state effectively. We also touched on how we could extend this application with asynchronous operations. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, thank you. Here, we'll explore a simple to-do list application built in